Hi, Shelly here. Today we're going to look at how to create a card sort. And to do that, we're going to use Google Drawings and Google Slides. So I have a Google Drawing open up on my screen and it's blank, and that's where we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is create our background for the card sort. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to create one that kids can sort the difference between weather and climate. So to create my background, I'm actually going to use a table, and I'm going to make it a 2x2 table. So I'm just going to stretch this out to fill up my whole screen, and then I'll adjust it real quick to get it exactly how I want it. And I want this to be up here for my heading. I want this to be in the center. Up just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to type up here, and this side is going to be weather, and this side is going to be climate, and I'm going to highlight both of those so I can adjust my font size, make it a little bit bigger, and center it. Maybe I'll make it even a little tiny bit bigger than that. Okay, so that's all set. Also now I'm going to click out here on the blue box of my table, and I'm going to set my line color. I'm going to just go ahead and use black line color, make it a little bit thicker so that it's easy to see. And now I want to create, I'm going to click in this box, and I'm going to create some color on here so that it's user friendly. So I'm going to make this one bright green color, and then I'm going to make this one a purple color. And then I'm going to make my header boxes up here like a light gray color. Actually, I'm going to make my header boxes white. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I've created my background. I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to download this. So I'm going to download, you can do a JPEG or a PNG. I prefer PNG, so I'm going to download that. And then I'm going to come over here to my next tab. And in this tab, I've already set up a slideshow. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here to the Background tab, and I'm going to choose an image. Okay, now I have my image on my background, and it's really important that you just do it as a background. If you insert it as an image, the kids will be able to move it around. But now that it's a background, as you can see, I can't move it by clicking my mouse. So now what we're going to do is add on the little cards that we want the students to sort. So to add on the cards, I'm going to use my shape tool. So I'm going to click. You can make them whatever shape you want. I'm just going to use rectangles, and you're going to draw them out. And then you're going to type in the box. So my first one that I'm going to put is, it was sunny last Thursday. And then you can change the font if you want, change the color of them. You can do it however you want to make your little cards look. I'm going to leave mine gray like that. And now, as you can see, when these get dragged around, the words stay with the box, but the background stays where it is. So I'm going to just set that in the middle. Now, I like my boxes to all be the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my copy command, which is Command C on a Mac. And then I'm going to paste. So you can do a right mouse click and do copy paste, or you can use your edit button to do copy paste, or you can use the commands on your keyboard. And then I'm just going to type over this one. So my next one is going to be May through August is the rainy season. And I've already got that copied, so I can just hit paste again. And then I can just continue to build my cards this way. There will be a blizzard next Friday. And so as you can see, it's really easy in order to create this. And you can add as many cards on here as you want, and I'm just going to keep mine kind of stacked up here in the middle when the kids get it, and then when they get it, they'll be able to sort it out. One of the ways that you might want to share this out with your students is you can make a slide. So you could duplicate once you've got it finished, and you can just keep duplicating, and you can assign each student a slide number. This might not be your favorite way to do it, because then they'll all get to see each other's work. So another way would be to go to your share button and click Get Shareable Link. Make sure that you have it shared. Anyone with the link can see it. And I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to teach you a quick little trick. I'm going to open a new tab here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to paste that link right here. And what I don't want my students all on the same one. I want them to each have their own copy. So I'm going to delete this last part, and I'm going to go all the way back to where it says edit. I'm going to delete the word edit, and I'm going to write, instead of that, I'm going to write the word copy. And so what this does now you can grab this whole link and share it with your students in Google Classroom or Canvas or Seesaw, or wherever you want them to grab that link. But what this does is now if I go to this link, it's going to force me to create my own copy before I can open it. And now each student will make a copy when they open it, and they'll each have their own copy to do their card sort on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.